What if I told you that even in the modern age of satellites and advanced science, there are still places on Earth that remain completely unexplained? Places where ships and airplanes mysteriously disappear. Deserts where giant symbols stretch across the land, visible only from the sky. And locations so strange that scientists are still searching for answers, from ancient monuments to remote islands lost in time. Today, we're exploring the top 10 most mysterious places on Earth that scientists still cannot fully explain. 10. The Bermuda Triangle, deep within the Atlantic Ocean, lies one of the most famous mysteries in history. The Bermuda Triangle. For decades, ships and aircraft have reportedly vanished in this region without a trace. In 1945, a group of 5 U.S. Navy planes known as Flight 19 disappeared during a routine training mission. Their compasses stopped working, radio signals faded, and the planes were never seen again. Some scientists believe powerful methane gas bubbles rising from the ocean floor could cause ships to suddenly sink. Others suggest unusual magnetic anomalies may interfere with navigation systems. But even today, the true explanation behind the Bermuda Triangle remains uncertain. 9. Area 51. Hidden deep in the Nevada desert lies one of the most secretive locations in the world. Area 51. For decades, this mysterious military base has fueled endless conspiracy theories. Many people believe the facility contains advanced alien technology, or even crashed UFO spacecraft. Although the U.S. government finally acknowledged the existence of Area 51 in 2013, most of what happens there remains classified. Because of its secrecy, Area 51 continues to be one of the most mysterious places on Earth. 8. Skinwalker Ranch. In the remote deserts of Utah lies a location that many believe is a hot spot for paranormal activity. Skinwalker Ranch. Witnesses have reported glowing orbs floating in the sky, strange, unidentified flying objects, and mysterious creatures roaming the land. Scientists and investigators have spent years studying the area, trying to find logical explanations. Yet, despite decades of research, the strange events reported at Skinwalker Ranch remain largely unexplained. 7. The Nazca Lines. In the deserts of southern Peru, massive drawings stretch across the ground for miles. These giant symbols, known as the Nazca Lines, depict animals, plants, and complex geometric patterns. What makes them truly mysterious is that they can only be clearly seen from high above in the sky. They were created over 2,000 years ago, long before airplanes even existed. To this day, scientists continue to debate how ancient people managed to design such enormous figures with such precision. 6. Stonehenge, standing in the countryside of England. Stonehenge has puzzled historians and archaeologists for centuries. The monument is made up of enormous stones weighing as much as 25 tons. What remains a mystery is how ancient builders transported these massive stones from distant locations without modern technology. Even the true purpose of Stonehenge remains unknown. Some believe it was used for religious rituals, while others think it may have functioned as an ancient astronomical calendar. 5. Easter Island. In the middle of the Pacific Ocean lies one of the most isolated places on Earth, Easter Island. The island is famous for its giant stone statues known as moai. Nearly 900 of these statues stand across the island, each carved from volcanic rock. Some of them weigh more than 80 tons. What remains unclear is how the island's ancient inhabitants managed to move these enormous statues across rough terrain. Even more mysterious, most of the statues face inland, as if silently watching over the island. 4. The Devil's Sea. Located near Japan in the Pacific Ocean, the Devil's Sea has earned a reputation similar to the Bermuda Triangle. Ships traveling through this region have reportedly vanished under strange circumstances. Some researchers believe underwater volcanic activity could create sudden whirlpools or gas eruptions. However, like many ocean mysteries, the full story behind the Devil's Sea remains unknown. 3. The Door to Hell. In the deserts of Turkmenistan lies a massive fiery crater known as the Door to Hell. This enormous pit has been burning continuously for more than 50 years. It was accidentally created in 1971 when scientists drilling for natural gas caused the ground to collapse. To prevent toxic gas from spreading, they decided to set the crater on fire. They expected the flames to burn out in a few days, but the fire has never stopped. 2. Lake Natron. At first glance, Lake Natron in Tanzania looks like something from another planet. Its waters contain extremely high levels of alkaline chemicals and salt. Animals that fall into the lake often become preserved due to the minerals in the water. The result is a haunting landscape where birds and animals appear frozen in stone-like poses. Despite scientific explanations, the eerie appearance of the lake continues to fascinate and disturb visitors. 1. Mount Roraima. Rising high above the clouds on the border of Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana stands Mount Roraima. This massive, flat-topped mountain looks almost like a lost world floating in the sky. Its steep cliffs isolate the summit from the surrounding land, creating a unique ecosystem found nowhere else on Earth. Scientists have discovered rare plants and animals that evolved in complete isolation. Because of its strange appearance and ancient geology, Mount Roraima remains one of the most mysterious landscapes on our planet. Our planet is filled with incredible places that challenge our understanding of science and history. And while technology continues to advance, many of these mysteries remain unsolved. Which of these mysterious places fascinated you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoy exploring the unknown, make sure to subscribe for more amazing facts about our world.